Hey guys, I'm Zell. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how we recently made this beautiful table. The materials we used for this project are listed. I was inspired by a member in a DIY group on Facebook to do this shelving. I thought it looked so cool. I did use different materials. I did find other tutorials on Pinterest, and so everybody kind of can put their own tweak to them. Using 2 hula hoops is the main thing. Painting them using spray paint, whatever color it is that you want. I decided to take off the stickers from the hula hoop and then spray paint, but you can completely spray paint over the stickers if that's what you decide to do. And the second most important material is the shelves. So you will have to measure how far it is that you want them, what color it is that you want. We had 2 white shelves that we were going to get rid of, and we decided to just go ahead and give them a second chance at life and use those. And as you see here, my husband had to pre-drill the holes and then put the nails in. And the next item that we used were these cylinder sticks made out of metal, so my husband did have to use a saw. I wish that I would have had a little bit more video content to show how it is that he actually put them, but I was super busy with my kids that were just making a mess and getting into things that they shouldn't be getting into. I think he did a really good job. I ended up painting the sides of the shelves that you can see are like kind of wood looking. I really love the way that it turned out. I really hope that you enjoyed watching my video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you guys next time. Thank you so much.